529 here with some Hunger Games. People are making loud noises. I don't like it. Hey guys, can you stop making loud noises? Please? I'm recording. Guys, I'm recording. You guys just make it. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. They're really.
How many cars are we taking?
I don't know. I'm recording. Please, Sarah, I'm recording. Could you not? Yeah, but my microphone's really sensitive. My microphone. Please. Ah. Hey, what's up with that? Come on. Come on, man. What do you mean? Ow. Stop. I'm gonna fight up there. And grab stuff. Hey. Ooh, unfurl up top. Wait, what do I need diamond. I need to for them and a diamond sword. Perfect. Oh, that's TNT. Ooh. Stop. Mate. What's your problem? Why can't I hit him? Diamond sword. What was that? Oh, okay. Alright. Let's go to the next round. Yeah, I can't leave. Am I lagging seriously that badly? I don't know. I'm just gonna cut it off here. I'm sorry guys, I'm just so loud. There just are. I'll probably head up there. I'll probably head up somewhere else so it can be quieter for the next episode. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.